My Abuja people, how una dey? Na your girl Abeg, and I dey here again with tori wey happen for our city this past week. So make we touch light on different matter wey occur. You know as we dey do am for here na, relax, enjoy yourself, make we enter the story proper. Today, our first story go be how EFCC take arrest over 105 people, including Chinese people for Abuja. Dem dey suspect say dem dey involved for yahoo dealings wey dey target hotels for Europe and other places. EFCC talk say dem catch dem during their operation for another apartment for Abuja here. I wonder wetin concern Chinese and Nigeria yahoo people. No be small thing o. My people, before I go enter this next story I wan talk about, so I just wan advise my sisters, babes dem, before una go visit any man, whether na your boyfriend or just anybody, make una try the same location, if at all even the person picture, or you kuku carry one person follow body, so you go dey on safer side. Because this story I wan talk about, so una know one Salome Adaidu wey be copper wey dey serve for Abuja. Her boyfriend Temileye Ajayi don finally confess say na him kpai am after they don catch her head for bako bag because say she bin dey cheat on am, na why him kill am like that. And him talk say he no get any single regret for wetin he don do. Police don finally arrest am, so they dey do the investigation as we dey like this. Make una just try dey careful for this country. And the third story we go dey look into na say NCC don threa ten to disconnect 9 banks from using USSD services because dem never settle the gbese wey dem carry for head wey don dey run into billions of naira. The telecom operators don complain say this gbese wey these people carry, so e don dey affect their own operation. So if you dey use Fidelity Bank, FCMB, Jaiz, Polaris, Sterling, UBA, Unity, Wema and Zenith Bank, by 27 January, that USSD code no fit work for you again o. And the fourth story we go dey look into na say clash between Spyro and Obi Franklin. Una know Spyro now, that guy wey sing "Who Is Your Guy?" Him and the music executive Obi Franklin don dey get one small issue on top money matter. Spyro dey accuse the man say he don use Davido name secure performance deal for am for Ghana, and he go pay am $5,000 after the event. But after this event na shishi Spyro no see, na Obi come respond tell am say him dey owe am 10.5 million naira for commission of car deal wey be say him facilitate, and him admit say yes, him dey with the $5,000. I no know how they want to settle their beef sha, but dem go dey alright last. And lastly, una hear say Burna Boy and Spindality bin get one public drama for 2024. Anyways, wetin happen na say Spindality go dey accuse Burna Boy say he dey use one American rapper called Diddy. Say him dey use the guy. Na Burna Boy don go file defamation and cyber stalking case against Spindality. After Spindality don spend several days for police custody, then they come grant am bail of 20 million naira. So my people, na wetin we see for this week be this. So abeg, make una try dey safe, make una hold una self together, dey vigilant. Abeg, I use God dey beg una o. Anyways, I remain your favorite girl Abeg. I go see una next time. Una bye bye, take care, one love.
Vibes and Cruise.